Only this time by Shine Shabredi, wonderfully played. This one, the shot has been played very nicely by Shine Shabredi, and that is another 4. So the target is further down to 22 of 9 deliveries for Pakistan, and Shine Shabredi is playing very nicely. So the another delivery is coming in by Vice Shah, the 4 delivery of the 19th over. And that has played it high. Oh, what has he done? Oh, that is big enough to clear the boundary line, and that is another 6 by Shine Shabredi. What a great shot this one has been. This time a flat 6 of the 72-meter 6, but it's fine enough to add another 6 runs to Pakistan's score. And now the score is down to 16 of 8 deliveries. Now it's exactly the double, so 2 of a single delivery. The Shine Shabredi, and this time is played into the gap, but this time it's nicely fielded by Kohli on the boundary line, so this will be just a single. So now it's a 15 of 7 required. Now Hassan Ali on strike, and Hassan Ali to face the last ball of the 19th over. So Vaisal is coming in to bowl another delivery, and this time a wonderful delivery. This is another dot ball. So he's missed it completely, and Vaisal has done a good job here. So 15 of the final over required, and Shaheen Shabredi to be on strike. So what can he do? Can he make a difference and win the hearts of the Pakistani nation? Let's see what happens here. So the last ball, so the last over to be bowled by Jadeja, and he has done a good job. He has taken 4 for 38 in his 9 overs. So what can he do in the final over? So Shaheen Shabredi to face now the first delivery coming in. Oh, it's a wonderful delivery, but it has been very nicely played by Shaheen Shabredi as well. So into the gap for 2 runs, and now the 2 runs added to Pakistan's score. So 13 of 5 required now. 13 of 5 now. Hassan Ali to face. No, in fact, it's not Hassan Ali, it's Shaheen Shabredi to face now. Again, as 2 runs have been taken, so Shaheen Shabredi on strike. Another delivery coming in, and this time he's played it high. Oh, that's a fielder is running behind it, and he's going to, seems to be catch. And he's dropped it. Oh, what a situation! What a turn in the game! What a twist in the game! Jadeja. And now the Jadeja has dropped a wonderful catch on the boundary line, and this will give 2 runs to Pakistan. So 11 required of 4 deliveries now. Shaheen Shabredi to play the rest of the. Let's see what happens here. So Shaheen Shabredi, another delivery coming in, and this time it's in the air. It's high. It's a tremendous shot. It's a wonderful shot. It's a huge one. Now into the defense, into the crowd for another 6 runs. So wow, that's a great shot played by Shaheen Shabredi. He's playing his role, and he's doing a job here for Pakistan. So what a lovely 6. So 5 required of 3 now. Wow. Target is further down here. What happens here? Now another delivery coming in. It's a 4 delivery of the match, of the final of the match. So now it's in the gap. Wow, that's a beautiful shot, Andy. Yeah, wow, that is a fantastic shot on the offside, and that would be another 4 as the fielder is unable to just stop the delivery. The speed of the delivery, and the ball is so quick, and it has crossed the boundary line. So another one. So 1 required of 2 deliveries now for Pakistan. What a match this one has been. What a great turn in the match, and what a performance by the final pair of Pakistan. So another one now. So 1 of 2 deliveries now. Shaheen Shabredi to face the delivery, and now he's played it. Now it's into the gap. Wow, that's another 4. Oh, brilliant indeed. This is really unbelievable. Pakistan making, in fact, 52 of 18 deliveries. Wow, that is a really unbelievable. And Pakistan has won this great match, the final of the ICC T20 World Cup by 1 wicket. And what a player, Shaheen Afridi, and what a man, what a boy, young boy. Shaheen Afridi has done a good job here. Wow, so lovely seeing the dressing rooms. The Pakistani players are running in the ground and they're really celebrating, and really Shaheen Afridi has gone into the sajda and is praying, he's thanking to Almighty Allah for such a great contribution by him. Wonderful with the ball and wonderful with the bat. 4 for 39 in his 4 overs, and then 45 of just 16. He has really done a good job there. Wow, beautifully done. He's done such a great job there. So now this match has been won by Pakistan by 1 wicket, and what a great contribution by the last player. So wonderful to see the lovely scene in the dressing room, and surely Pakistani nation will be surely happy with the performance by the final player. And of course, many players of the Pakistani nation and the Muslims all around the world who are supporting Pakistan, and the ones who are supporting Pakistan all around the world. So this is really great. Thank you very much. So lovely. I have never seen such a great match, but this is really going to be a lovely match here. So thank you very much for watching. We will be back soon with the presentation ceremony. Thank you very much, and stay tuned to us. We'll be back soon. Thank you very much. Bye bye. So back soon in a few moments.